beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're tired of mascaras that clump or concealers that just don't cover dark circles, I've got something that might just change your morning routine. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss tips that make your beauty routine easier and more effective. I'm checking out the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara paired with their Instant Age Rewind Concealer, shade 130. The mascara promises a full fan lash effect thanks to its unique brush with 10 layers of bristles, while the concealer claims to erase under-eye dark circles and fine lines with goji berry and haloxyl. Both are staples in Maybelline's lineup, designed to help you achieve bold, lifted eyes and flawless coverage. Starting with the mascara, the brush design is really clever. It's curved and fanned out, so it grabs lashes from root to tip. In practice, it separates well and gives noticeable volume without feeling heavy or sticky. I tried it in both my morning routine and during a long day, and it held up well without smudging or flaking, which is a big plus for anyone juggling a busy schedule. One thing to note is that it's best applied in layers to really build the sensational fan effect without clumping. The Instant Age Rewind Concealer is where things get interesting. The formula feels lightweight but creamy, blending seamlessly under the eyes. It does a solid job of brightening dark circles and minimizing the appearance of fine lines, thanks to the goji berry and haloxyl in the formula. I found it easy to layer under foundation or wear alone for a more natural look. For me, the applicator is precise, so you can target problem areas without over-applying. It's especially handy for those mornings when you need a quick touch-up. What I love about this duo is how well they complement each other. The mascara opens up the eyes, while the concealer brightens and smooths the under-eye area, making the overall eye look more polished and awake. On the downside, the mascara may require careful cleaning of the wand after a few uses to prevent buildup, and the concealer might need a setting powder for extended wear if you have very oily under-eyes. In terms of value for money, both products are reasonably priced for drugstore makeup, and they deliver results comparable to higher-end options. The mascara's performance and brush design are standout features, and the concealer's ability to multitask, covering dark circles and smoothing fine lines, is impressive for the price point. Compared to other mascaras and concealers in the drugstore range, Maybelline consistently holds up. The Lash Sensational stands out for its brush technology and lasting volume, while the Instant Age Rewind is a top choice for those who want coverage without heaviness or caking. If you're looking for alternatives, there are slightly cheaper mascaras that offer volume, but they might lack the fanning effect. Similarly, concealers at lower price points may brighten but not target fine lines as effectively. The build quality of both products is solid, sturdy packaging that's easy to use and transport. Longevity-wise, the mascara lasts through the day without flaking, and the concealer stays put with minimal creasing, especially when lightly set with powder. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Maybelline's customer support has a solid reputation, and while I haven't had personal interactions, they're known for handling inquiries efficiently, which is reassuring if you ever need assistance. Overall, this duo delivers what it promises. The mascara provides dramatic, fanned lashes without clumping, and the concealer effectively brightens and smooths under the eyes. It's perfect for anyone seeking reliable, everyday eye makeup that enhances natural features without fuss. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase both products is in the comments and description box. If you've tried either of these, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.